I was very happy when I saw the official launch SIM swap, do it yourself, do it anywhere. Which means you no longer have to go and queue at an MTN office just to replace or swap your SIM card. You can now do it yourself anywhere using my MTN app or a simple shortcode. It makes sense why that could change how we handle our SIM cards forever. For years, SIM swap issues be one of the biggest concerns as people for join long queues to swap or replace their SIM cards. Also, MTN says they've added a strong security features to prevent anyone from swapping your SIM card without your knowledge. Before you try this new feature, there are 3 important things you need to know, or it might not work for you. You can replace or swap 2 SIM cards per month. After buying the SIM card, make sure it's properly linked before attempting the swap. You can buy these empty SIM cards from authorized MTN shops or connect stores across Ghana. So don't just buy from anywhere. And here is the good part. MTN has made it easier by spreading these outlets across Ghana, so you don't need to visit their main office anymore. If you are not sure where to find the one near you, just drop your location in the comments. I will help you find the nearest one. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to swap yourself using both my MTN app and the shortcode. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.